In this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove a shared with you link on iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple of ways you can go out and do so. So first things first, if you're removing it from Safari, let's just say you have the link right over here, and all you need to do is just hold on your link and then just click on the remove a link button. So as you can see, I don't have the shared link, that's why I don't have that option. But when you simply hold your finger on the tab right over here, it's just going to give you this option which says remove link. If you want to do it from messages, delete the specific message thread containing the link. And if you want to disable the feature entirely, all you need to do is just open settings, head to apps, and head to messages. And once you're inside of messages, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for shared with you and turn this off. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next.